Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. After breaking out the big triangle, the price line is still moving above the resistance. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line will be moved up from here or it will be re-entered in this triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this complete report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month and how many trades are successful, how many trades are still available. And you can also follow my current month report as well. That is just started the month of April 2022. That is also available at my Patreon. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this triangle. We were following first this down channel, and price line broke out the resistance of this down channel after a very long term. You can see it was entered the channel here in October 2021 and broke out here on 5th of Feb 2022. And after breaking out, it was stuck inside this triangle. Right now, after breaking out the resistance of the triangle, it is having a nice accumulation above the resistance. So far, it did not break it down. This resistance is at $45,000. That is also a very strong price level resistance as well. Previously, it has been working at the different places as a nice support and resistance. And if I place this trend line at $45,000, then we can see that it has been working as a nice support here, and here it worked as a nice support even back in Feb 2021. So at the several places it had been working as a nice support and resistance, and here it was working as a very strong resistance. And right now again it has turned into a support that is also a support, the resistance of the previous triangle as well. Now, for example, if we take a look at the target for this triangle, that is here approximately at $60,000. And if we take a look at the target for this down channel, that will be here at the top of the channel, that will be at $68,000. Now, if we take a look at the exponential moving averages on the weekly time frame, then we can see right now Bitcoin is retesting. It has broken out the EM at 21 and retesting the EM at 21 as a support. And even on the daily time frame, we are above the EM at 10 and 21. Now, if we take a look at the different simple moving averages on the daily time frame, by the way, this is the 3-day time frame chart because a few people are discussing about an expected death cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving average, and I want to show you how we can avoid that death cross. But first, let me to show you the weekly time frame. Then here we have recently broken out the 50 weekly simple moving average, and 25 weekly is now working as a resistance for the price line. And if we switch to the daily time frame, then we are having a resistance of the yellow line, that is a 200 weekly simple moving average. And we have broken out all simple moving averages like 25, 50, and 100 as well. Now let's move back to the 3-day chart, and here we can see that the price line formed a double bottom here at 200 3-day simple moving average, and after that it broke out the 25 and 150 simple moving average is right now breaking as a resistance for the price line. You can see it has broken out this 100, but 50 simple moving average is not broken out so far. Now, if the price line if this 25 simple moving average, you can see it has started turning up, will cross these two simple moving averages of 150, then we can avoid the death cross between the 50, this green line, and this 200, this yellow line, simple moving averages. And previously we have the evidence that it has happened recently. If we take a look at here, back in July 2021, we were expecting a death cross between 50 and 200. This green line is 50 and this yellow line is 200 simple moving averages. You can see 50 simple moving average was moving up, 200 was moving to the upside, it was moving down, it was moving up, but this 25 simple moving average started turning up, and when it crossed the 150 simple moving averages, it formed a bull cross, a golden cross with these two moving averages. We avoided this death cross, the expected death cross between the 250 simple moving averages. You can see it moved here, 50 moved here, and 200 moved here, but again 50 started moving to the upside. Same as like the previous scenario, we can see that 25 has started moving to the upside. Therefore, if it will be crossed up, it will cross up these two moving averages, then again we can avoid the death cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and the disastrous situation can be avoided. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.